You will never be able to change yourself if hindi ka aware na may mali sa'yo.
Kung hindi siya nag-ask ng apology, huwag ka mag-apologize.
Bumultuhin ka ng mga ginawa mong kalokohan dati.
May mga iba dyan, as in simula nung bata pa sila, later on in life, gusto ng chance na babalikan ka.
Ito yung mga panahon na hindi mo mapipilit yung mga tao na patawarin ka agad-agad. Nag-evolve tayong lahat and part to ng character development mo.
Bully ka, tapos yung binubully mo may crush pala sa'yo. Very Wattpad nga, very
Very Star Cinema.
Very Star Cinema, yes.
Prove yourself more than proving them na hindi ka na-bully.
There's no other way, just confronting people and say, I'm sorry.
Yan may damit mo kanina sa office?
Hindi,
Nagpalit
nakapolo
ka
ako
na?
tapos naka-wear prep. Kasi tagal eh. Kaya na pa ako nakauwi.
Isuot mo mamaya pagkasama si Joanne.
Hindi na.
Paano?
Aalis ako. May talk later.
Oh, just enjoy the night.
Naka-record ba yun?
Oh, recorded. Sasama na sa episode.
Value.
Welcome to Friday Double Thoughts. My name is Jeb. And magbabasa tayo ngayon ng panibagong Reddit post na magre-react tayo kasama ni Mr. Rami.
Hello.
Ganda ng boses. Ang post na napili nating basahin this episode ay post ni Agile_Tutor_7772 sa Advice PH. Ang title, How do I ask forgiveness to the one I used to bully? Problem, I am a retired bully. Nag-retire palang bully. And want to ask for forgiveness to the person that I bullied, but I have no idea how. Since I was in elementary school, I always had the label of the bully along with my friends. And in that age, we thought it was cool, but we had a label to our name. But growing up and thinking about what I've done is really hard to process. Because I would always say that, why was I like that? And when I was in high school, I was still a bully. I made 17 people cry, and I didn't even lay a finger on them, rather just insulted them verbally. I'm not proud of it. During the pandemic was the turning point of my views. Because when I was having a hard time, the ones that comforted me through chat were either my friends or this one person I used to bully. At first, I was annoyed because we weren't close. But as time goes by, I enjoyed her company, and when the lockdown ended, I scheduled for us to get coffee. I had a great time talking to her and think she's really cool. Now, I'm in college, and we all gathered together, Feb 9, my elementary classmates. They all revealed their resentment against us. I accepted it, but when they all left, I cried nonstop.
Yung mga Reddit posters na to, sorry lang napansin ko.
Oh.
Ano ba to, mga bata pa talaga, no?
Oo nga eh.
Or talagang matatanda na tayo. Parang college.
Bata pa naman, kakagraduate ko lang ng college eh.
Parang ang sweet sana, akala ko naging sila. Kung
Hindi.
alam mo yan, kung
Baka papunta
malay
doon
mo,
bata.
I mean, alam mo yan, parang bully ka, tapos yung binubully mo may crush pala sa'yo. Tapos, alam mo yun, kinomfort ka pa. Tapos siya yung pagpabago sa'yo, di ba? Very Wattpad nga, very
Star Cinema.
Very Star Cinema, yes. Exactly. So kaya gusto niya nagbago na siya. Gusto niya na mag-sorry sa mga binubully niya, ganyan. Pero yun nga, yung pang-bully, serious matter yun. Although I didn't really experience it firsthand or something. Hindi naman ako nambubully. As far as I can remember, hindi naman ako nambubully. Tapos, hindi naman ako nabully. But I've seen people na-bully physically, mentally, hindi talaga siya okay. Kahit na mga kids pa yan. I mean, there's no other way of doing it than, just confronting people and say, I'm sorry. Yeah, and be serious about it. You don't have to go extra mile na gagawa ka pa ng favor. Unless na lang, if the damage is really, really bad, then you really have to make an extra effort. Let's say, yun nga, may mga nag-quit sa school dahil sa pangbubuli mo, may mga umiyak, mga ganyan. Just let them know na, alam mo yun, na hindi ka na ganon. Just say sorry.
Oo nga. Sa akin, people change eh. Part yan ng natin pagiging tao. So, nag-evolve tayong lahat and part to ng character development mo. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is patawarin mo rin yung sarili mo. 'Di ba? Kasi maraming times
Yes.
mumultuhin ka ng mga ginawa mong kalokohan dati. Babalik at babalikan ka
Mm.
niyan, eh. Pero kailangan mong labanan din 'yun. I'm not that person anymore. Kasi bata pa ako nung time
Oo.
na nang-bully ako.
At least, 'di ba, na-acknowledge niya yung mga ginagawa niya is mali. So, ibig
Awareness.
sabihin may konsensya siya. Yes. Yung ibang bully, they don't even remember yung mga tao na binuli nila. And alam mo yun na minsan, 'di ba, it's a classic story. May makita mo sa mga movies and even in real life na yung ibang mga tao na, oh, you didn't even remember me. You used to bully me in school. Okay, sorry, I don't remember. Kasi para sa akin normal lang yun eh. Pero at least siya, alam niya na may konsensya siya. That itself, you
Yeah.
know, it's like an assurance that he's a good person after all, like inside his heart or ano ba siya, ba
Saka,
lalaki? And then,
magka-college pa lang siya, eh.
and don't do it na. Pag nagka-college ka na, alam mo yun, baka kasi may superiority complex ka or whatever, kasi most bullies are like that eh. So, or alam mo yun, insecurity sa buhay. But I don't really get the mind na bakit mo kailangan mag-bully. Alam mo yun? Like, be nice.
Kasi akala nila dati, cool sila. 'Di ba? Sabi niya nga, cool daw yung ganun before.
Okay.
So ngayon, ano daw, parang I'm not proud of it, sabi niya. Well, congratulations kasi nasa part ka na ng maganda na yung trajectory ng maturity mo kasi nagkakaroon ka ng awareness. Awareness is the key. You will never be able to change yourself if hindi ka aware na may mali sa'yo. Yun yung first step mo. So next step mo is mag-move forward ka na and prove them wrong. Ito yung mga panahon na hindi mo mapipilit yung mga tao na patawarin ka agad-agad. Mag-sorry ka. Ngayon, i-accept mo yung possibility na yung iba pwedeng tanggapin yon, yung iba naman hindi nila matatanggap yon. So move on ka na. Kumbaga, if whatever yung reaction nila nung nag-sorry ka, importante nag-sorry ka.
Yes.
Move on. And then
For
after
yourself
that,
na rin.
yes, heal yourself. Kumbaga, pataparin mo sarili mo nga. Tapos after nun, prove yourself more than proving them na hindi ka na bully. And
Bubugin mo yung mga ibang bullies, ganun.
Pwede
bully mo
super
yung
bully pa.
mga bullies.
Oo.
Yung
Kumbaga,
yung kung college ka na, yung punta ka dun sa school ng mga elementary, tapos hanapin mo yung mga bully, tapos batukan mo.
bubuin mo.
Yun yung maging redemption story mo. De, joke lang.
Diba? Magandang bagay yun. Top comment ni Living Dash Steel 8172. Sabi niya, maging mabuting tao ka na lang. Anyways, kahit 1,000,000 beses ka humingi ng sorry, baliwala yan. Ingrained na sa mga nabully mo na yung ginawa mo sa kanila. Nothing you can do about it. Sabi nung may nag-reply si inner_accountant 4995. Sabi niya, I disagree with this to some extent. I would say I still apologize, mean it, do better, and atone. For the most part, apologizing is for the one asking. Atonement is for the wrong.
What I didn't catch that. Another forgiveness, forgiving is for the one.
Sabi niya, apologizing is for the one asking. Apologizing. Atonement is for the wrong.
So, ibig sabihin, if it's, kung hindi ka magsasorry if they're not asking, parang ganon?
Sa akin, hindi mo kailangan mag-ask eh. Pag na-feel mo na yung guilt, diba, mag-sorry ka na. Kung na-feel mo mag-sorry ka,
sinasabi niya, I think, to the persons na, kung yung mga tao na nag-ask ng apology, doon ka mag-apologize. Kung hindi sila nag-ask ng apology, huwag ka mag-apologize. Parang ganon. I mean, maybe not for them, but for yourself. Kasi nga, kinakonsensya ka, so, you know.
Guilt kasi yung nasa kanya eh. Pero mag-ingat siya kasi baka mamaya may mga mag-guilt trip naman sa kanya. Diba? Pero...
But you have to accept also the consequence of those actions kahit nung bata ka pa. Kasi, alam mo yun, those are serious things kahit na mga kids pa yan. May mga iba dyan, as in simula nung bata pa sila na nasa kanila yung pangbubuli, and then later on in life, pag nagkaroon na sila ng chance na babalikan ka, you know, you'll never know.
Gaganda ingat ka na lang. Hanap ba ng mga bodyguards?
Magpunta ka sa ibang punta ka Mindanao, magpalit ka ng pangalan or something.
Pero overall, congratulations
17?
sa kanya. Congratulations sa kanya for having that level of awareness. Kayo ba? Paano kayo nagsasorry sa mga taong naagrabyado ninyo? Comment down below at baka basahin namin yan sa susunod na episode. Bye!